The LumberMate LM29 is a low-cost, full-size sawmill designed to give you the satisfaction that comes from milling round logs into square boards and beams. The LumberMate 29 enables you to mill your own lumber for constructing new buildings, making beautiful furniture for friends and family, or to start your own custom sawmilling business to earn extra money. The LumberMate LM29 can handle logs up to 29 inches in diameter and mill boards and beams 22 inches wide. Standard, you can mill lumber 12 feet in length. To mill longer boards, add available extensions. The LumberMate 29 shares many of the same time-saving features as the Lumber Pro, such as the patented self-locking saw head and the single-action operator control. The narrow kerf silicone steel blades produce Norwood's typically smooth boards and beams. Included standard is the adjustable blade guide that closely supports the blade for accurate milling. Simply lift, slide, and lock. For international safety compliance, the unused portion of the blade is shielded. The graduated scale with built-in kerf allowance enables sawing standard-size lumber with no calculations required. A lumber production table is provided as a handy reference. To improve lumber yield, an adjustable indicator is provided to calibrate the scale to read either from the top of the log or the bottom. Each rotation of the saw head handle enables rapid setting for 1-inch boards. When milling 1-inch lumber, there is simply no faster system. The operating station's two-hand design is adjustable for individual operator comfort. The Norwood LumberMate 29 is an easy-to-use, easy-on-the-budget, full-size sawmill. It has a large choice of helpful add-on accessories that can be added at any time, now or years later. For stationary milling, a set of 10 adjustable support legs are available to provide a sturdy, elevated platform. For transporting the LumberMate from site to site, use the optional trailer package. It tows easily behind small vehicles at highway speeds. The trailer package includes a removable tow bar, 8 support legs, large wheels with quick-release steel fenders, and carriage lockdowns. The LumberMate is available with a log loading and log rotating system. This is the same manual log loading system as used on the Lumber Pro. This system enables a lone sawyer to operate efficiently and safely up to the maximum capacity of the mill. After the log has been winched, logs can then be easily rotated and automatically held firmly for dogging. Additional accessories also from the Lumber Pro are tow boards for log taper compensation and log repositioning, board off-rollers for speedy board and slab handling, Lumber Pro standard log rests, log rest actuators for easy log rest management, Lumber Pro heavy-duty log dogs, automatic dog assists to automatically hold logs firmly for dogging, the rapid dog device for incredibly fast cycle times of small and medium-sized logs, and also the lap-siding shingle jig. Available for the LumberMate is a cam dog for clamping squared cants and boards. The 3-function log rests act as standoffs for knots and irregular-shaped logs. Secondly, they enable easy log rotation. And thirdly, they act as a stop for cants and boards. A 13-horsepower Honda engine and a 14-horsepower Kohler engine are standard. A 16-horsepower V-twin Briggs & Stratton is optional. A 240-volt electric motor is also available. The carriage rolls along the track smoothly and effortlessly, and the underwheel provides extra stability and security. A blade lubrication system to keep your blade pitch-free is standard. Dual precision blade guide rollers support the blade through the cut. The simple design of the LumberMate ensures trouble-free operation with only routine maintenance. It's backed by Norwood's 2-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. Shipped in knockdown form, Norwood can quickly and inexpensively deliver your LumberMate anywhere. This saves you hundreds of shipping dollars. With Norwood's fully illustrated manual, the assembly takes less time and is easier than you might think. This short assembly time is a valuable learning process to help you fully understand the sawmill and all of its functions. At Norwood, we constantly strive to meet the changing needs of our customers. This is why all Norwood accessories can be added at any time, now or in the future, when you are ready for them. This means your initial investment is safe and you can upgrade at any time from a basic sawmill. Norwood is the only company capable of growing with your needs in this way. We promise to continue this tradition.